I'm Dr. Paul James and I'm looking at the fat content of the fatberg. So what we did was to take that solid sample that came in from Sidmouth, and we had to extract the fats into some sort of liquid layer, and then we're able to run that on some analytical machines that tell us what exactly was in that fatberg sample. So when we went to Sidmouth, what we did was take like massive bucket samples, and then out of that we sub-sampled lots of little samples that we then extracted and ran on the GC. And what we see is that these samples aren't homogeneous, so a lot of them were either high fat or high organic content, depending on what part of the fatberg we sampled, which probably means that it's not uniform across the whole fatberg. And one of the interesting things was that the amount of fats that we saw was relatively low. So per gram, we only saw 200 milligrams of fat. So what we actually see is that even a small amount of fat can then cause all that organic material to clump together, and then that's probably what's helping to build up these fatbergs. So the sort of fats that we were expecting to see were cooking oils, or stuff where people have maybe cooked some meat and there'd been some oils and fats come off that, and that's exactly what we did see. We saw a lot of long chain fatty acids that had either like some double bonds in or just one double bond, and that we really could attribute to people pouring cooking fat down the sink. Obviously there's a wide range of different places that could have come from, but the most likely source is that.